So the first way, as I said, is to use a VPN, and just using a VPN is not gonna fix your problem. So if you guys have already downloaded GPay and you went to a country where it's not available, it's not gonna work. And the only way to make it work again is to use a VPN and connect to a country where GPay works, alright? So that's one way to fix it. And let's say you haven't downloaded GPay until now, alright? And you want to download it. So even if you use a VPN, GPay is still not gonna be shown on your Play Store, because Play Store works according to the country where you created your account. So using your VPN is not gonna fix it. The only way to fix this problem is go to Google and you wanna search GPay APK download, and you gotta download it, and then your GPay is gonna be downloaded. And to use it, you gotta connect your VPN to a country where GPay is available. Because GPay is not available in every single part of the world, it's gonna show GPay unavailable. That's one reason. And the other reason is, let's say GPay is available in your country, but right now it says GPay unavailable. So it basically means that Google services are under maintenance. So when Google fixes their server, all their services are gonna be offline. So if you're trying to access GPay at that time, then it's gonna say GPay unavailable. And the only way to fix this problem is to wait. Alright? So that's how you guys can fix your GPay unavailable problem.